Yeah, everything is good.
Yes.
Yes. The people are thinking why the people. Okay, leave it, guys. Okay, if one person is there, we will learn. Okay, we will learn it. So the thing is, guys, just put in the group. Okay, anyone, please put in the group. Session is going on because the people are missed the session, guys. I don't want others also. Others also will take the right benefit of our session, right? Please anyone put in the group, right, messages class is going on, like that. Okay, so the people will join. Okay, people will join because they are thinking about that key session is not going because everyone becoming totally relaxed today, no session na. So now everything is good, guys. Please respond.
Hello, Ravi.
Yeah,
Yeah, when you started this season, Ravi?
just now.
Okay, okay. Actually, I have a doubt because you wrote the intra communication. That's why.
Yes. No.
Yeah. Okay. Just now
Just
started.
no. Just now I started, but you know the last last conversation is going on. Last weekend conversation, just explanation is going on. That's
Okay.
it.
Yeah, yeah. But I think last weekend just you explained about the architecture of microservices.
Yes. Whatever
Yeah.
question I was given, right? Whatever question I given, that question answer I given. Some noise is happening. How you are listening, man? Your side, some noise is
Okay, okay.
happening.
Actually, network issue, Ravi. Wait. Okay, okay.
Okay.
I
So
will check. I will check.
just answer I was given, right? I given those answer only. Whatever answer I asked, question I asked last weekend.
Okay, okay.
Okay, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Just listen the session. Okay, so this is the registry server. Means what? Placing what? One microservices data in what? The discovery server, and what? Another what? Another microservices data in what? Sorry, details inside that it's discovery server, right? Come on, both microservices details are stored in the discovery server or not, guys? Come on. Please, one person, at least one person give the response, guys. Okay, one person, at least one person give the response. Or use the chat box. I'm audible, guys?
Audible, sir.
Okay.
Repeat the question, Ravi. Repeat
Yeah.
the questions.
Okay, good. So fine. So but what? One microservices, this first microservices want to communicate with what? Second microservices, right? Directly there is no possibility now, because both are running in what? Both are running in the same project. Come on, both are running in the same project now. So for that purpose, here need what? Second microservices details. Second microservices detail to whom? This person. Means what? Microservices first, right? Microservices first need what? Second microservices details. Then this microservices can make the request to whom? Request to whom? Second microservices, and then that first microservices will access this microservices services. Come on. Okay, guys, one person need the response, right? Unmute yourself, one person who is the release. Yeah. Okay, so fine now. So finding first, what we will do it now? Find the detail, right? Find the detail, right? So find the detail. How the possibility is there to find the detail? This what is that? This microservices need one client, right? That client will make the request that client will what? Find the detail about what? Detail about what? This microservices from the discovery server, right? Discovery server. So we need what is that? Stable. We establish the communication between what? This microservices to whom? Discovery server, right? Discovery server.
That's
Yes, Ravi.
Discovery server.
MS2, microservices 2.
This microservices, right? So means what? To fetching the details from the discovery server, to fetching the details from the microservices discovery server. That terminology is nothing but what? Find. That terminology is nothing but what? Find means finding what is that? Microservices second detail, right? Second details from the discovery server. Then we can establish the http request na to this microservices. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
So the question, guys, one question last weekend, one person, I don't know that person is there or not. What is the difference between REST template and what is that? Fin client,
Services.
Fin client or discovery client, or what is that? Fin client or discovery client or load balancer client. This question, right? Just I'm taking only one client here, because both are the client code, right? Both are the client code only, right? So just I'm taking what is that? Fin client. Fin client, right? Fin
Yes,
client,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
The person ask, I don't know that person is there in the session or not. The REST client and the Fin client, okay? So the normal things, guys, okay? If you want to make both can here, Fin client also will able to using Fin client also we can make the like a post put get kind of request, okay? Exclude this 1 minute. I will write what is that? Another discovery server. No. Sorry, discovery. Yeah, correct. Discovery client. Okay, this is the legacy client only. Just but see, this one cannot using this what? Using what is that? REST template. We can make the what is that? Post put get request. But using what is that? Using discovery client or discovery client or load balancer client. Just we can fetch the details from the discovery server. Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, we got.
Yeah. So here using what is that? So using here. So here to fetching the details, some client need, guys, okay? To fetching the details, microservices need what is that? Microservices one need what is that? Microservices two details, right?
Instances.
Two details. So the details is stored in what? Microservices. What is that? Discovery server. So to gather the details, to get the details from what? To get the details from what? Discovery server. Microservices need what? One client, right? One client need, right? One client need. One client need, right? One client need. What is that client now? What is those client now, guys? Discovery client.
Yes.
Discovery client. Discovery client. Load balancer client. Load balancer client. Load balancer client is nothing but what? Ribbon. Anyone can observe in their like basic life, right? What is the use of ribbon now, guys? Just tell me. I will give the example, guys, okay? Anyone ribbon meaning just a ribbon meaning what? Just whatever my observation is there, guys, okay? just take the like casually, guys. Okay, don't take serious too much. Whenever girls are decorating their hair, guys, okay, they are using the ribbon. Nah, come on. Come on, guys, give the
Yes, yes, Ravi.
Yes.
ribbon. I hope the people are getting ribbon meaning. Come on. Means what? Whole hair to bind in a single unit, right? Single unit. For that purpose, girls are using what? Ribbon. Na? Come on, guys. Girls also give the response.
Yes.
Girls also,
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
correct, right?
Ravi. Yeah. Yeah. Ribbon used for the hair. Yeah.
Binding the hairs, right?
Yeah.
Girls also
Binding
give
the
the
hair. Yeah. 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 Correct is correct.
only one girl is giving the response. What about others in the sessions? Others girls also there. Give the response. Unmute yourself. Just normally for the understanding purpose, I given this example. Okay. So ribbon means what? So bind whole hair in a single unit, right? Similarly, so means here also see ribbon means what? Connecting one microservices to whom? What? Another microservices means what? Just observe it. Here also we are binding only na one microservices to another microservices. Come on, give the guy a response, yaar.
Right, Ravi. Yes, yes.
So
Yes, Ravi.
so just if we are binding, then something need, right, to bind. That is those things we are using nothing but what? That is nothing but what? Ribbon only na. It's need ribbon, then we can bind na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yeah, so same way, guys. Okay, just observe our what subject like this, then the subject will become easy. Then subject will become easy, guys. Okay, so the load balancer client, right? So load balancer client to what? To what is that? Taking the services, right? So to binding one microservices to another microservices, right? Communicating one microservices to another microservices. For that purpose, we are using what? Ribbon and these client. So to fetching the details from the discovery server, discovery server, which microservices need? First microservices need to what? Communicate with what? Another second microservices. But both microservices detail is stored in which memory now? Come on, in which memory now? Discovery, sorry, yeah, discovery server na. Discovery server is nothing but Eureka server na. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah, so just normal means what? Ribbon or load balancer or fin. One more client, let's take fin client, right? Fin client, right? Using these client, we are just normally what we are doing now? Fetching the details from the discovery server only, guys. Okay, this is the use of what? Load balancer client, fin client or ribbon, right? Clear? I hope the people are getting the clear picture about that. What? Our ribbon.
Yes.
Okay, so okay, good. Okay, guys, so here from the discovery server, right? Microservices, what the details is? What is the taking now? Data na. Come on, microservices is fetching the data na. Means what? This microservices detail is stored here, right? And this microservices is fetching these details, right? This fetching the details internally. This is nothing but data na. Data only fetching na. Come on, data only fetching na. Come on, guys, give the response.
Yes, Ravi. Data.
Yeah, but
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
the same thing sir, in the terminology of what microservices we are giving that data we are saying that is nothing but what? Service instance. That is nothing but what? Service instances. We are fetching that service instance. That is nothing but what? Service instance. Okay, after fetching that instance, right, then what will happen now? This microservices will make the request to whom? Then this microservices will make the request to whom? Another microservices based on that what? It's metadata. Based on this microservices metadata, right? So here what? This microservices will make the request, right? This microservices will make the request to whom? This microservices, right? And this microservices will give the response to whom? This microservices. This microservices, this is nothing but what? Request. This is nothing but what? Request, and this is a here response. This microservices is getting the response, right? Response. Okay, so to establishing this request and a response in this microservices to this microservices, this terminology we are saying that what? This terminology is what? Nothing but what? Binding. This terminology is nothing but what, guys? Binding. What is that? Give the response, guys. I don't know the people are active or not.
Binding.
The people are listening or not. Come on. This process is nothing but what? Binding. And the whole process is saying that what? The whole process is saying that what? Intra communication. Come on. The whole process is saying that what now, guys? Intra communication. Intra communication. I hope the people are getting the clear picture about intra communication. Come on, guys. I'm able
Just
to
1 minute recap the notes.
Ravi, I have doubt, Ravi.
Yes.
Instead of hard coding the URI value of the client, to call the service, we have to hard code the URI of the microservice to another microservice client. So we store that URI in the registry.
Yes.
So we fetch from the registry, na?
Yeah, we need first what is that? Both microservices, because blind directly in the what? Directly in microservices to microservices communication will not. Outside we can make the request using what? REST template, right?
Yes.
REST template. But what is that? In the same project, if you want to communicate one microservices to another microservices, what is that? Direct possibility is not there. Where all microservices detail is stored in which memory now? Discovery memory na? Eureka server na? Come on. So first we need to fetch the details from the Eureka server, this microservices, which microservices we want to access, right? Then after getting that details from the microservices, we need what is that? To getting the details, another microservices details from the discovery server, we need what? One client. Like these clients are there, we will use these client. Using these client, we will fetch the details from the discovery server, and then we will establish the communication between these microservices to these microservices.
Okay.
Okay, so now till now the explanation is clear, guys.
Yes.
Any doubt related to this diagram or this discussion? Okay, good. So okay, now let's understand the next things. But what is that? Our question, right? This is the question. Let's give the answer, guys. Okay, because it's need, guys. Okay, every session is important. Every session is what? Important. Because of that I'm explaining, guys. Okay, be serious about this one, right? Be serious about this one and practice it, guys. Okay, practice it. Because of that I'm writing this theory. Otherwise, what is that? So I'm giving the answer about that intra communication. Okay, so here answer is what? Answer is what? One microservices one microservices wants to communicate with what is that, with other microservices by fetching data from what, from registry server. Register and what discovery server. Discovery server is nothing but what, Eureka. Is nothing but what, Eureka, right? Clear, guys? Be active yourself, guys. Actually the session is going on too much lazy. I'm already lazy today now, and you guys are making me again lazy only, right?
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
I'm trying to active myself, guys. Okay, actually my capacities today, that kind of capacity is not there, but still why I'm taking the session, yeah, still I'm making myself what is that, active. But you guys are too much lazy. Why?
Yes, yes, sir. Then
Be active yourself, guys. Give the response, then I can able to deliver the subject, right? So okay, guys, so in the same, right, to do intra to do intra communication, microservices get details from the Eureka server, right? So details, this microservices is getting the details from the Eureka server, na? Come on.
yes, yes, Ravi.
Okay, so microservices should use what? No, sorry, should get details from Eureka,
Server.
from Eureka. From the Eureka server, right? So for that, microservices should use what is that, one client fetching what?
One client.
Fetching what? Fetching the
Fetching data.
details from the Eureka server. It's need what? One client, right?
One client.
One
Yes,
client.
yes.
It's need what? One client.
One client.
From for that microservices should
Need one client.
use one client. So multiple clients are there, guys. Okay, we will use one client, okay, at the time of fetching now. Okay, so just a theory part we are preparing now. So just I'm giving the list of what our clients, right? So what is that? Discovery. First one is what? Discovery. First one is what? Discovery client, right? Discovery client. This is the legacy client, guys. Okay, this is the legacy client. Okay, this is the legacy client. Question number another. This is the one client. Another client is there. Second client is what? B client. Let's take another client, right? Another is what? Load
balancer.
Load balancer client. Load balancer clients. This is nothing but what? Ribbon. This is nothing but what? Ribbon. And another one is what? One more client is there. Mostly in the real time, this client are used, right, guys? Open fin. Open fin R fin client. fin client. This is the abstract client, guys. Okay, and here we don't need to write the code explicitly. Just we need to use it, right? So abstract
Okay.
Abstract client, right? Abstract client. Okay, so these client we will use to communicate one microservices to another microservices,
Another
right?
microservices.
One microservices to another microservices. So above client will not support for making HTTP call, right? HTTP right, request is what, nothing but what, guys? HTTP request from here. See here,
Yes,
one
template.
API is making to HTTP put post deleted. This kind of request we can able to make using what, HTTP client or not? Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Using what? HTTP request. What we are doing
HTTP
now, we are making the HTTP request from the external services, right? From the external services, and this request is coming to whom? API gateway, and based on that request our microservices is what?
responding.
Responding, right? So but here what is that? Fin client are what? Fin client are load balancer client, and discovery client is use. What is the use of this?
Communicating with
Communicating. What is it? Fetching the details from the Eureka. That's it. Fetching
Eureka
the
server.
details from the Eureka. For what purpose? Another microservices details, right?
Yes.
Clear? I hope the
Yeah,
people are getting the clear picture about that. What is the difference between REST client, REST template client, and what is that? Our ribbon, like what? Load balancer, or discovery client, or OpenFin client? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So but based on this one we can make that excluding, right? Excluding what is that? Fin client. Other will not support what? These things. Okay, because if we use, right, fin client, right? Fin client, then the fin client having the capacity to make the request using post, put, get, delete also. Except that if we are using in what? Our project, what? Load balancer client or discovery client, then the possibility is not there. Then the possibility is not there. Then okay, so one more question. Let's understand one more question now, guys. Okay, so the question is what? The question is what? The question is what? How many Eureka server instance exist? How many Eureka server? How many Eureka server instances exist? Exist, right? Exist. How many Eureka server instances exist? Answer is what? Only one per what? Complete project, guys. Okay, so only one. So just what is that? See this here now, guys, in the explanation. Okay, so I given, right, one microservices. This is one microservices. This is one microservices. This is one microservices, and this is one microservices. Based on, because all microservices is there in a one project, so all details will store in which server now? Discovery, discovery.
Yeah.
So
Discovery server.
for all microservices only one discovery server is there or not, or multiple is there? No, na?
Yeah, only one.
Only one is there. So this question only I'm asked, right? So how many Eureka server instances exist? Only. What is the answer now, guys? Only one per, what is that? Only one per
project.
complete
Project.
application.
Yeah.
Application, right? So okay, so let's another question also, right? Let's understand another question also. The question number,
I have one.
yes.
I have one question, Ravi.
Yes, ask.
Yeah. Is there any limit for the Eureka server? Is
Don't
there any
worry.
limit?
Don't worry, the things will come. The things will come. Okay.
Okay,
If-
okay,
I will
okay.
touch that one also, but here the place is not right, because whenever we will enter in the practical, then I will explain that one only, right? I design like
Okay,
this.
okay, okay.
So
Okay,
your
Ravi,
question,
okay.
your question is right. Okay, but the time is not correct.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
I'll
Got
explain because after ending the session, whatever your doubts is there, every doubt will clear, guys. Okay, so but give the some time, need some time. Okay, sudden just now in a single day only I can't explain total microservices na.
Yeah, it's
So
not possible.
yes, so okay, so the question I'm again, will Eureka make http calls to what is that, microservices, to what, microservices in one more question, can Eureka make request to microservices? The question, this is the question. Now answer is what?
No.
No.
Make HTTP call.
No. It
No, no.
hold, what is the Eureka server responsibility to holding the details of what microservices na? Come on, guys.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's not having the capability to make the HTTP call or what, make the request. Come on, guys.
No, no.
Holds only what? Holds only details, right?
Oh, details.
One minute. So this discovery, I'm talking about this discovery server, guys. Okay, I'm talking about this discovery server. This discovery is making the request, and what is that, HTTP call? No. This discovery server is storing the details of all microservices, right? All are the interview questions, guys. Okay, all are the interview questions. Focus on this questions answer. Because of that I'm touching this questions answer. Okay. So okay, so the answer is what, guys? No na. It's hold, what is that? It's hold only details, right? Only details of what? Only details of what? Microservices.
Microservices.
Can register and what is that? Read only, right? Read the
Yeah,
data.
yeah.
That's it. This is the responsibility of what? Discovery server. Clear?
So, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let's understand one more question. I'm preparing one more question. So what is that? I'm talking about this one. Okay, what type of data is stored? What type of data is stored inside that Eureka, and when? Whenever we are publishing, guys. Okay, whenever we are publishing microservices application in Eureka server, Eureka will store what is the service instance data when we publish register or what is that, microservices application, right? Microservices application. So now this question is not correct in this place. Later I will explain. Let's understand one more question, right? One microservices can have how many number of instances in Eureka, guys? Okay, so this microservices, right? One microservices, just assume search microservices is there, and this microservices, how many details are there? This is the question. How many details are there in Eureka server? This is the question.
Just only one instance.
Yeah, let's write the question first. Okay, the question is what? The question is what is the one microservices can have how many number of what
Instance.
instances, right? Instances in Eureka.
In it. Only one.
In Eureka, I want, let's see that. Give the everyone, use the chat box, guys. Okay, just don't listen the session. Okay, answer. I want everyone response. Just use the chat box. I will see that how many people are giving the right answer. Praveen, what about others? Vivek, 1. What about others? 1 instance. Divya, Aurora, okay. Ayodele, okay.
1 instance, sir.
What about others, guys? Just I'm getting the response from only 3 to 4 members only. Pujita, okay, good. What about others? Only 1 instance. Vijay, I got only 1 instance, right? iPad, who's that iPad? Please tell me your name also. Please tell your name also. I need it because you joined with your phone, na?
It's our.
Okay, good. What about others? Yes. So let's see the answer, guys. Multiple, but at least one need, right? At least one request. At least one request, right? Multiple instance in Eureka server. What is that? One microservices request should be. Multiple can be, but what? At least one. This is the answer. And whenever we will enter in the practical, just remind this question's answer, guys. Okay, once one more time remind this question answer. I will post, right? I will post this document again on my Facebook group. Please download it, and guys, just read it. I'm not saying that become, what is that, pirate, right? Pirate or what? Whatever things I'm explaining, just those things, okay? Like if we teach pirate what, a pirate will speak what, a like this only, na? Don't learn like this subject. So okay, so just only one things, guys, okay? Just read once, right? I will post this document on what, Facebook group, right? Facebook group, read once, okay? Then join tomorrow's session, guys, okay? Then join tomorrow's session. I'm stopping today's session now. We will meet tomorrow, right? Give the response, guys.
Okay. Sir, could you send the video to us, please?
Video I'm not planning to share in this weekend onward, but don't worry, this week video I will post on what, my YouTube channel. But
Where you
next
can run the application intern.
Yeah, next weekend onward, please suggest your friend, whoever want to join our session, please tell to them, right? They join the session, live session. In the live session only I will explain. I will not provide those videos. So this weekend video you will get on a YouTube channel, okay? Last weekend as well as this weekend I will upload it. Got it?
Okay, Ravi, got it.
So but don't become lazy, guys, okay? Join the live session, that's it, okay? Because the next
Ravi, I have one question.
Yes,
Actually, in the Eureka server, just holds, just stored only the Microsoft microservice instance.
Yeah, microservices details is nothing but instance. One details, port number. Last weekend I explained, right? So here where I was explaining the Eureka server.
Not
This
stored
detail.
in microservices data. Just
No, not microservices data. Last weekend this one, right? This is the explanation. These details will be there to enter what is the service ID, service instance ID, host number, port number, and load factor. This total combination is nothing but what? This total combination is nothing but what? One instance. I hope when I was explaining what is the instance in the first day session, I hope you are remember it.
Yes.
Yes,
whenever we whenever we send the HTTP request, at that time
this detail
server
yeah, to communicate any microservices, these details need na. Without these details we can't communicate to microservices. So in the Eureka server, these details will store. In Eureka server, these details will store. I said that, guys, okay? from day one onward, right? Last day's session also important. And if any session is missing, then if anyone missing any session, then think about the microservices will